Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Today's lesson, we are going to talk about verb conjugation. Yes, very basic, but it's powerful if you want to speak Japanese fluently. There are 5 forms that I'm going to share how to move freely. NAI form, Masu-form, dictionary form, potential form, and volitional form. Essential for N5 and N4 level. If you want to speak fluently, you need to be able to move those 5 forms freely. I'm going to teach you how to study so that you can practice by your own. Then, someday, I hope soon, you will be able to speak Japanese fluently. My name is Sayaka. I'm your teacher here, Wright Juku Online. Juku is Japanese and it's a noun. It's a place that people come and study what they want to learn. So Wright Juku Online is for the people who want to learn Japanese. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and let's get started. These are the example of group 1 verb, or you can call them U verb. 笑う、歩く、話す、待つ、読む、作る。Unlike group 2 group 2 verb end with る all the time. But group 1 verb, it end with different letters. Sometimes it's る, but this one belongs to group 1. Today, I'm going to show you how to conjugate group 1 verb to NAI form, Masu-form, base form or dictionary form, can-do form, potential form, volitional form using this table. With this table, you can conjugate one verb to these forms freely, and that's very powerful tool to have. First, I want you to get a piece of paper like this and pencil. Let's make the table together. The first row is wa, I, u, e, o. It's not the a. Please write wa, I, u, e, o. Next row is ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Sa, shi, su, se, so. Make sure you're writing together. That's your tool. たちつてとなにぬねのはひふへほまみむめも and らりるれろ You don't have to write ya, you, yo. It's okay. Then, for this one, you put NAI form. This row, you put Masu-form. This row, you put base form or dictionary form or 辞書形 if you want to use the Japanese grammar term, 辞書形. This one is can-do form, potential form, or if you want to use the Japanese grammar term, 可能形, 可能形. The last one is volitional form, Japanese grammar term, 意向形, 意向形. Are you done? Alright, I'm going to show you how to use it. For example, the verb to laugh, 笑う, 笑う. It's end with う, and then take a look at it. The dictionary form, the base form, う, 笑う. You want to switch to Masu form, 笑います, 笑います. 笑います so う to い 笑います You want to make it to NAI form 笑わない笑わない笑わない You want to make it to can-do form or 可能形 potential form 笑える笑えます笑える笑えます Make it to volitional form or 意向形笑おう、笑おう。Another example. 待つ、待つ、to wait. 立ちつ、待つ、 base form, dictionary form is 待つ. You want to make it to Masu form, 待ちます。待ちます。Make it to NAI form, 待たない。待たない。Make it to can do form, potential form, 可能形、待てる。待てます。待てる。待てます。Volitional form, 待とう。待とう。Another example. 歩く to walk 歩く Dictionary form く歩く歩きます Masu form and NAI form 歩かない歩かない Can do form 可能形歩ける歩けます Volitional form 移行形歩こう歩こうNow it's your time to do it. 飲む to drink. Please make it to Masu form. 飲む Masu form. The answer is 飲みます Did you do it? Great. Next is NAI form. The answer is 飲まない飲まないCan do form, potential form, 可能形飲める飲めます Volitional form, 移行形飲もう飲もう That's it. Just like that. So today you made yourself this wonderful tool. When you encounter group 1 verb, or you can call U verb, this table helps you to move freely from NAI form to volitional form. Alright, if you like it, please hit the like button or please share this content so that you can help others. These two verbs, suru verbs and kuru, to come, they are group 3 verbs. Or you can say irregular verbs. So today's rule does not apply for those two verbs. The verb to come from the top NAI form, 来ない、来ない。Masu form, 来ます、来ます。Dictionary form, 来る、来る。Potential form, 来られる、来られる。来られます。来られます。Volitional form 来よう、来よう。The verb to do from the top NAI form しない、しない。Masu form します、します。Dictionary form する、する。Potential form できる、できる。できます、できます。Volitional form しよう、しよう。These are the example of group 2 verb, or we can say ru verb, because those verbs end with ru when it's base form or dictionary form. For example, to sleep from the top NAI form 寝ない Masu form 寝ます Dictionary form 寝る Potential form 寝られる寝られます Volitional form 寝よう For the group 2 verb, you keep the verb stems and then you add each form's ending. NAI form, stem plus NAI. Masu form, stem plus mas. Dictionary form, stem plus ru. Potential form, stem plus られる stem plus られます Volitional form, stem plus よ That's it for today. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'd like to reach more people who are learning Japanese so that I can help them. Sharing is caring. Feel free to share my content. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!